Hello from New York City. My name is Vasily and I have been living here for years. Today we goes for a walk around Queens. Looks, it's very beautiful place. So, what can I tell about Queens? It's just borough in New York City. Interesting borough. I like to be here. I like to walk in here because it here so many interesting shops. Very many shops like Asian shops, Korean shops, Chinese shops. I like shops like H Mart and just walking. It's a very interesting place. I'm living in Brooklyn and Queens. For me, it's very far away. Actually, I don't remember in which area in Queens I am now, but just believe me, it's in. Oh yeah, it's last stop 7 train number 7. Yeah, here's very many shops like Chinese shops and Korean shops. Very many delicious food and very many interesting food. I don't understand very many things here which you can find in the shops. It's food and not only food, and I don't understand what is it. But I want to try. Maybe someday I will try 50% food in New York City, but I can't because when I'm trying to eat 50% in my area, I'm going to another area and I understand I don't try 99% of this food. Very interesting place. If you will be in New York City, it's a very interesting place to visit it because it's like China maybe or Korea. In New York City you can find Korea area, Chinese area, all areas very interesting. I like to be there. Of course, you can find Korean area on Manhattan and Chinese area on Manhattan too. With looks, this is very interesting. I want to try that, but I'm on diet. I try to lose my weight. I like Asian shops. It's very interesting to me and very delicious food looks. Price, it's very good if you living and working in New York City. I like Chinatown on Manhattan. I tried to eat there and it was very delicious and not expensive, but it was Manhattan. So it was Vasya from New York. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.